Ahrens here, and reached in my bag from Super Llama, and let's see what this one is. This is a Texas Lockpicker, mummified key. Is that Kwikset type. Let's see what this little note said here. Got this from the top. Trust me, JP McPenning. So got it from the top. Alright, well, we're gonna see what JP has, or Super Llama has sent, and see what Texas Lockpicker has got in here. There we go. Get that light somewhere. Where's my zoom? Got my phone charging, so it's kind of reversed a little bit, because I have got to have my plug in on the other side, so my buttons is flipped around. So hopefully I don't hit the stop button. Let's see, it should be about 5 pin. Yeah, I think it's 5. Wow, that is a lot of slack in there. A lot of play. This is gonna be fun here. Alright, a couple clicks on 5. Little small clicks. Little movement off of 4. Couple of clicks on 3. About to lose my tension wrench. Let's see, come on. May have overset 4 there or something. Something ain't right with it. Okay, let's reset that. That's something odd in there. A lot of slack in it. There we go, 3. A lot of slack in that lock. That was pretty fun there. Back out. It's pretty fun right there. That's a lot of slack. Let's see. Okay. Oh, all right. That just slipped off of there. It's pretty good bitting in there. A little high and some lows right there in the middle. Let's see. Yep, works good. All right. Let me see if I can get that off of there. Yeah, that was a pretty good one there. All that slack in there. Nope. Note said gut from the top. Well, I'm gonna do that anyway. Alright, gut from the top. So I need to pull that off here. I'm glad I remembered that, because I was fixing to pull that sucker right out of there. Sure, fixing to do it. There we go. And and there we go. Alright, what in the world? Let's zoom in here, because we got something going on. Let me find this. This is number 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 is doubled up. 3. One is doubled up. And 2. Alright. So now what I'm going to do is, well, there we go. And that way I don't mix up a bunch. 1, 2, 3. What in the world is that? 5. Okay. Well, we got some. Okay. Yeah, I remember. I think I remember JP doing this lock now. Yeah, I remember him doing this because it works like a Medico. I remember this lock. Yeah, I remember that. So the key has cuts like a Medico, and he's angled these key pins to turn like a Medico. If that had spring tension on it, it would go ahead and turn it around. And then there's like a cross in there. I remember him doing this lock. Now that is cool. Homemade Medico. How cool is that? Alright, let's see what we got here. At rest. There. This one is going to go here, here, and here. Alright, so what we got, number 1 is a serrated. Just don't want to focus right, does it? So we got room for all them serrations to catch. 2 is a serrated. I'm going to skip those 2. This one is like a serrated spool mushroom looking thing. And what we got here, let me set this one down for a minute, is you have this notch cut in that pin, and this notch cut out of that pin, so it slides into that notch. And this one's got a notch. That is cool. That is really, really neat. A lot of work went into this lock. A lot of work. Okay. You can see the grooves that he's cut in here. Is that serrations in here? Yeah, he's got some kind of serrations in all of them but 5, I think. Wow. That's pretty neat right there. That is neat. And it looks like the Bible. They're all gonna be threaded but 5. Now you can't see in there. My flash is out on my phone, so. Alright. I'm gonna set that here for a minute. We're gonna take a look at this. Turn them around. So I'm gonna come back and get a closer look. I'm just gonna show you this. Okay. So number 1 is serrated key pin, serrated driver, serrated key pin with a cross cut, serrated driver, and you have these Medico type notches. Well, it's not Medico notches, but Medico key pin spin. It's more like a, this would be more like the M heart, the notches out of the M heart. Serrated key pin with a serrated spool driver, and number 5 pin again. Get a single pin in 5, or single spring in 5, double spring in 4, single in 3 and 2, and a double in 1. And before we go anywhere, we're going to look at the key pin number 2, which is come on, guy. There we go. It is like a cross with all these notches, serrations cut into the cross. That is really neat. A lot of work went into that. A lot of work. Then we're going to look at number 4, which number 4 is not a cross, it's just more like a, I mean, it's got lines down. It's more like a meat tenderizer. That's a good name for it. The meat tenderizer pin. That is a lot of work right there. Then we're going to look at, drop that one, number 3. Alright, 3 key pin is the Medico type angle V-shaped key pin. Then you have these 2 notches, almost like an M heart. It fits together like an M heart, and it has to rotate to line up like the M heart. Really cool. And 5 is the same way. So that is a really cool lock. Thank you, Super Llama, for sending this lock out. That is really neat. Thank you, Texas Lockpicker, for taking the time to to make that lock. Really enjoyed picking it. Enjoyed looking at it. Hope everybody enjoys this video. Y'all, thanks for watching. Be legal, and God bless.